Okay, hi, I've just made this video so that I can explain to everyone how to install and or download and install programs from the internet, just so that when you read my other tutorials, you already know how to do it and it's nice and easy and I don't have to go through explaining it every time. The easiest way is just to show you through a video. So as you can see, I'm on the VLC page, and what you need to do is select the operating system. So I'm going to just Windows, as most of you I think will be running Windows. From here, sometimes when you're downloading stuff, it'll have a list of mirrors and the locations. It doesn't really matter because the files don't tend to be that big. But you either show the field mirrors and choose one close to you, or just click a random one. Just press download. Eventually, it'll come onto a page like this, and you'll get a yellow bar showing at the top. You need to click on the yellow bar and go to download file, and you'll get a window like this one coming up. And what I'm going to get you to do, although if you click run, then it'll download and then install it straight off. But I think what we're going to do is I'm going to get you to save it. So you press save, and you choose the place where you can choose the location where you want to save it. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to save it to my desktop. As you can see, I've already got a few of them downloaded. So obviously you can just keep the default name, and there we go, it's downloading. But because I've already got it downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. Basically, as soon as the download is complete, this window will close, and in the next part of the tutorial, after I've gone through installing downloading on Firefox, I'll show you how to run the installer. So for now, I'm going to press cancel and bring up Firefox. So Firefox users, those who have made the switch, sorry, I'll just get the pan right. Basically, again, it's similar at first. You just click Windows Download, and rather than a bar at the top, you'll get a window like this one coming up. And it offers options, and basically you just click Save File. You won't have these because they're an add-on I've got installed, but if you hit Save File, and unless you've changed it, change the download location, it'll automatically save to your desktop anyway, so you don't need to select that. Okay, from there I'm going to minimize this, and you can see we've got the icon now on our desktop. What you need to do is double click on it, and you'll get a window like that one coming up, and then just go ahead and click run. You'll be asked to choose a language, so you just press OK. I'll just move this so you can see properly. You get that's the first page of the installer, and just click next. You can read it all, or you can just press I agree. With here, this is basically the type of installation. Some of this is quite explanatory, like the plugins and ActiveX plugins, but you don't need any of them. What I'll draw your attention to is the file type extensions. If there are any programs that you don't want to open in VLC Media Player, then you need to select these and choose which file type you don't want. So some of these you might recognize, like .mp3. I would personally, I'd leave them all ticked so that files will automatically open with VLC, which will be a lot faster, but it doesn't mean that you can't open files with Windows Media Player. You just go, if you open Windows Media Player first, and it's got your whole library there, and that won't change at all. Or again, if you select this and you still want to open Windows Media Player from the file, then you just right click and go to open with. So for now, for the purpose of this tutorial, you can just click next and leave that. This is the folder where you want to install it. If you're an advanced user, then you might change this, but generally you just leave it and as the default one, press all. Okay, it'll take a while. I'll just pause. Okay, once the installation is complete, you'll get a window like this coming up with this box already ticked. Basically, all you need to do then is click finish. It takes a while for the program to load, but eventually you'll get a window coming up. Probably depends on the speed of your computer how long this takes. Okay, you'll get a window like this with the privacy network policies. You can change the album art, whether you want to have it downloaded. I find that you probably won't be using VLC Media Player with the to replace this thing, like Windows Media shows your album art and stuff. So you can just leave it to manual. It's good to just have 7 days a week update check. It's important to keep your programs updated, to keep safe from malware and viruses. So press OK, and there you are. You've got the program launched, and you can carry on reading the rest of the tutorial. I hope this has been of assistance.